This one is non-adjustable washing machine trolley. So compare with the adjustable washing machine trolley, this one is little bit heavy and good in quality. It's made by high quality handles, and moreover, compared with adjustable trolley, these wheels are made by metals, and this will be the rubber rollers. So the quality and life of these rollers are high and compared with adjustable trolley. So using this trolley, we can move our washing machine here and there comfortably. And this one is particularly used for front load washing machine. And after using this, if you are closing this, you will just then it will be fixed and it cannot move